Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pocket knife brands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kershaw Link Pocket Knives. For a blade that deploys as fast as possible, go with a spring-assisted knife. We haven't found one better than Kershaw's Link. The blade popped open as soon as we pulled down on the kick with our index finger and stopped at full extension with a satisfying click. In fact, it was so pleasing to open, we had to stop ourselves from popping it in and out just for fun to avoid wearing out the mechanism. What's more, the one-handed operation was just as easy with our non-dominant side, making the Link a decent ambidextrous choice. As for the performance of the blade itself, the carbon steel didn't disappoint, providing an even cut for whatever we needed. It wasn't as well suited to finer detail work, like coring apples, but we wouldn't expect that from a blade with this type of design. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Opinel No. 08 Carbon Steel Folding Pocket Knife. The Opinel has remained virtually unchanged for decades, thanks to its low cost, effectiveness and lightweight. You can buy it with a stainless steel blade, but the incredible affordability of the carbon model is a no-brainer. The No. 8 delivered one of the best cuts when we were slicing apples, and its sharp tip made quick work of zip ties and punctured packaging well. But it was only after a good deal of strain that we ripped through the cord. Although we wished there was a belt clip, the collar lock gave us peace of mind when the knife was in our pocket. There's absolutely no chance of the 3.3-inch blade deploying accidentally. Plus, it kept the blade open when we needed additional rigidity. However, it did take some effort to rotate the collar and lift the blade with the nail nick, which made deploying this knife slower than all the others. The beech wood handle was one of the most comfortable in our test. It's a uniform cylinder, save for a taper just before the pommel. Plus, the wood construction keeps the weight in check. That a sub-2-ounce knife can sport a blade this long and capable is impressive, making the No. 8 a worthwhile pick. Looking to make it one of a kind? Opinel offers custom engraving, for an additional fee. At number 3, we have the SOG TWI-8CP Twitch 2 6.20-inch EDC folding knife. The Twitch 2 has earned many fans over the years. It's sized just right, easy to open, and delivered consistently strong results throughout testing. The stainless steel blade, housed in a simple and sleek-looking aluminum handle, is substantial enough for a variety of tasks, yet the knife retains a modest, slim profile. It was comfortable to carry in our pocket and attached securely to our belt. There are a few ways to deploy the blade, including a thumb stud on each side. Lefties, rejoice. But we liked the kick. Sometimes called a flipper, this triangular tab sits at the end of a knife's tang and protrudes from the handle when the blade is closed. Pressing it down with our index finger swung the blade out nearly all the way, with help from a coil spring, and we locked it in place with a small tug upward. Once open, the kick doubled as a finger guard. Under relatively little pressure, the knife made even, smooth cuts. The blade was the only one to slide into the apple on contact, though it needed greater force to completely slice through. It also finished among our top performers for the cord and zip tie testing, cleanly cleaving the fasteners with a modest amount of force. A small sliding lock on the handle added extra assurance that the blade wouldn't deploy accidentally. More than once, we forgot we had engaged it because it's so seamlessly built into the handle. After almost a year of frequent use, the knife is still in fine form, though some paint has chipped off the handle. If you're looking for a trusty EDC that delivers quality at a reasonable cost, the Twitch doesn't disappoint. At number 2, we have the Kershaw Terran EDC Pocket Knife. There's nothing flashy about the new Terran, but we approve of the monochromatic stainless steel construction. But when you want a mid-size folder that does what you need it to without fuss, it's a good pick. The spring-assisted blade flipped quickly out of the handle once we depressed the kick. In our cutting tests, it proved decently sharp and adept enough for carving tasks. The 3.1-inch blade was also long enough to cut through larger apples in one go, something not every knife we tested could do. Still, the knife isn't so large or heavy that it feels awkward to carry every day. Yes, there are sharper, more feature-rich models out there. But by foregoing those qualities, Kershaw delivers an affordable and, most importantly, dependable EDC in the Terran. And finally at number 1, we have the Spyderco Delica 4 Lightweight 7.15 Signature Folding Knife. The Delica has been a staple in the Spyderco lineup for more than 30 years, and the 4th generation includes styles with different blade steels, edges, and shapes, as well as different handles. The standard model we tested features a sharp VG10 blade that excelled at slicing, due to its fully flat ground design, and ripped through materials, particularly our rope, without hesitation. Deploying the blade was simple thanks to Spyderco's hallmark circular thumb hole, measuring a nice and large 13 mm here. We also appreciated the fiberglass reinforced nylon handle that has textured molding for better traction, a finger guard, and subtle finger grooves. Add in the jimping notches on the blade's spine, and we never worried about our grip slipping. Lastly, the handle's stiff belt clip is reversible, a nice feature for lefties, and can be reinstalled for tip-down carry, if that's your thing. Altogether, the Delica 4 is a very capable EDC and an especially great option for people who regularly get their hands dirty and need a knife that will stay put. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.